Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this simple fishtail braid. So first, start by combing your hair into a ponytail. Next, section your hair in two parts, not three like we usually do for other braids. Now take small strands of your hair from one section and push it towards the other. So from the right to the left and from the left to the right. Make sure you hold the braid tight while doing this. Continue the process till the end and secure it with a small band. Massage your hair outwards so that you can make the braid more fuller and more thick. And there you have it, the simplest fishtail braid.